I've never really dabbled into abstract art or anything of that sort, so I wanted to challenge myself to create something that's art. Hey guys, sup? Welcome to this video. I'm Nathaniel, and this week's video is very different from what I usually do. So it's day X of the quarantines and lockdowns, and one of the things that I miss was going around different cafes in Singapore, enjoying a sip of coffee on a hot summer day like this. I'm pretty bummed at home because I can't be as creative as I was when I was just going around Singapore and looking at different inspirations. I feel like there's no better way to challenge yourself than to do something that's gonna give you some discomfort. Most of you know that my comfort zone lies in lettering and doing really structured pieces, and I'm not really into doing something that's totally out of this world or abstract in nature, and I thought of doing that in this video. And so I'll be doing an art in 30 minutes with my weapon of choice, chalk. And as part of the challenge, I'm not allowing myself to look into any reference videos, reference photos, view any inspirational photos or whatever to create this piece, because I've never done anything of this sort before. I'm actually very nervous. But you know what, guys, I don't think I'll ever be improving, and I'm not gonna be better as an artist if I don't continue pushing more boundaries each time. And speaking of push, I want you to push that little button over there that says subscribe, so you'll be updated with my latest videos, latest challenges, and tutorials. I'll be sharing more with you in the future. And here's the final output. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I didn't expect that it would turn out this way. Initial inspiration was the word hope, since I was pretty optimistic and I wanted everyone to take away something from it, but it evolved into something more gloomy. This is because I broke my lens. I will flash back a bit. So I'm just gonna turn my lights on. Hold on. I think my emotions got a better of me. My lens is broken, and when you shake it, there's something inside. I don't know if you can hear it. So there you go. I'm sad, to be honest, that my lens broke. I'm not sure whether I'm able to fix it. And what does that mean? You guys need to subscribe right now to help me buy a new lens. I'm so sad, guys. But I was pretty happy with how my artwork turned out. Yeah, let me talk about my process a little bit. So, my approach to lettering is usually very structured. When I started doing this chalkboard, I had to shift my mindset a bit. I had to just put chalk to board and then let my creativity flow. Each stroke that I did continued to the next, and I just really let myself be immersed into that art that I'm doing. It was such a wonderful feeling being immersed in the moment. It didn't matter whether things would go wrong or things would go right, and you just committed to something wholeheartedly for a whole 30 minutes. And that's basically how I came up with that chalk art. I hope this has been insightful for you as it has been for me. I wasn't expecting to have this kind of reflection at the end of the video. How much do you think my art is worth? Let me know down in the comments. And that's it for this week's video. See you again next time.